In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about navigating through some of the important settings within Shopify, specifically focusing on how to manage your store's shipping and delivery options. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to tweak some of your existing settings, this guide will provide the foundational steps you need to get started. Let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin. Once you have logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's administrative panel. This is your command center where you can oversee all aspects of your online business, from managing products to tracking orders. It's designed to be user-friendly, but don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. We'll walk through it together, step by step. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Settings option. This section is crucial because it houses all the behind-the-scenes controls that allow your store to run smoothly. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on Settings, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Each option here gives you control over different aspects of your store. Today we're focusing on shipping, so you'll want to click on the Shipping and Delivery settings. By doing so, you're diving into the area where you can set up, customize, and optimize how your products get delivered to your customers. Once you're in the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll find all the tools you need to manage the logistics of your store. Here you can configure shipping rates, define shipping zones, and choose the carriers that make the most sense for your business. If you're new to handling shipping details, it's important to start by deciding where you'll ship your products and how much you'll charge. This can be based on weight, price, or a flat rate. Consider what is fair and competitive in your market, while also ensuring it fits within your business model. As you navigate, feel free to explore the other available options, such as packaging types, handling times, and even incorporating local pickup, if that's a viable option for you. Each decision here impacts how your customers receive their products, so take your time to consider what will be best for your offerings and customer experience. And that's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you're well on your way to setting up a functional and efficient shipping system in your Shopify store. If you have any further questions or want to learn more about some of the other features found within Shopify's settings, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching and happy selling!